Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking all things chickens. I'm sharing my top 3 chicken breeds for beginners, easy to care for, friendly, and excellent. First up, let's talk about the Buff Orpington. These beauties are often called the golden retrievers of the chicken world. Buff Orpingtons are known for their calm and friendly personalities. Next up, we have the Plymouth Rock, a true classic and a backyard staple for a reason. These chickens are known for their striking black and white barred feathers, like a beautiful old-fashioned photograph come to life. But don't let their good looks fool you. Plymouth Rocks are more than just a pretty face. These chickens are hardy as can be and can handle just about anything Mother Nature throws their way. And just like their Buff Orpington friends, Plymouth Rocks are excellent layers, consistently providing you with 200 to 300 beautiful brown eggs a year. Plymouth Rocks are known for their friendly and curious personalities. So, if you're searching for a chicken that's as dependable as they are beautiful, the Plymouth Rock is a fantastic option. The egg-laying powerhouse, the Rhode Island Red. And last, but certainly not least, we have the Rhode Island Red, the true powerhouse of the beginner chicken world. If you're looking for a chicken that's as tough as nails and as reliable as the sunrise, this is the breed for you. Rhode Island Reds are known for their incredible hardiness and low-maintenance personalities. They're not fussy eaters, they're not bothered by a little change in the weather, and they're generally happy as can be just doing their thing. These girls are egg-laying champions. You can expect a whopping 250 to 300 large brown eggs per year from a Rhode Island Red. Rhode Island Reds have wonderful personalities too. They're friendly and curious, and while they enjoy a little human interaction, they're also perfectly content entertaining themselves. So if you want a chicken that's as tough as they are productive, the Rhode Island Red is a surefire winner. Well, there you have it, friends. The Buff Orpington, the Plymouth Rock, and the Rhode Island Red. My top picks for beginner chicken keepers. These breeds are all so special in their own way, but they all share the same wonderful qualities. They're friendly, they're hardy, and they'll keep you well-stocked with farm-fresh eggs. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these breeds are you most excited about? Or maybe you have another favorite that's perfect for beginners. Let me know in the comments below. I love chatting chickens with y'all. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more chicken keeping tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy chicken keeping!